Hi guys, I'm making this video part 2 because on my last video I forgot to show you how to open the hinges cap. Basically, if you want to open the hinges cap, you have to undo this screw first. Yep. Then go inside, close the door if you can, and this cap you have to pull because it's slightly tight. What do you have to do? You have to use the screwdriver to pull this one. There you go. There you go. Slightly tight. And then you can open. There you go. Okay, so I undo the screw. I lose the screw from outside and I pull this one this side. As soon as you push this side, then it will come off like this. And after that, everything goes right, what do you have to do? You have to make sure everything is on right position, and then what do you have to do? Close this lid and then push in. There you go. And then go outside again, and you can see the screw. You have to tighten the screw. That's it. Job done. Thanks for watching.